all go through and what they all put into all of us. And I think also a lot of times we look over and don't recognize our police officers and firefighters as our soldiers, but I think they are our soldiers. There we go. So we got a song here for all of you and all your families, and again, thank y'all for hanging with us, because we are so blessed to be here. 89 cents in the ashtray, half-empty bottle of Gatorade rolling in the floorboard. That dirty Braves cap on your dad, dog tags hanging from the rear, old skull cannon cowboy boots, and the gold army shirt folded in the back. This thing burns gas like crazy, but that's alright. People got their ways of coping, and I got mine. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, and I burn up every back road in this town. I find the field, tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes I drive your truck. Leave that radio play, same old country station where you left. Yeah, man, I cranked it up, and you probably punch my arm right now. You saw this tear rolling down my face. Yeah, man, I'm trying to be tough, but Mama asked me this morning if I'd been by your grave. Well, that flag and stone ain't where I feel you anyway. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, and I burn up every back road in this town. I find the field, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes yo, see, I drive your truck. Oh, I cussed, I prayed, I said goodbye, I shook my fist, and that's gone wild. But these days, I'm missing you this much. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, every back road in this town. I find the field, tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Here sometimes, brother, sometimes I drive your truck. I drive your truck. Hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind. I drive your truck.